Hi, my name is Ben. I'm an engineer at Sienci Labs, and I'll be showing you how to assemble the 4x8 AltMill. In this video, I'll be going over a few best practices before you begin assembling the machine. Number 1, you'll want to assemble the machine with a second person, as there's a few steps involved that require 2 people. Number 2, the recommended workspace to assemble the machine is 6 feet by 12 feet, and it's estimated that it'll take around 6 to 8 hours to complete. Number 3, you're able to use a drill for the purpose of speeding up the assembly process. We recommend that you use the drill at the lowest torque setting and the lowest speed. It is important that you torque all fasteners by hand using the supplied Allen key, not the drill. Number 4, you'll have received 6 boxes to build the 4x8 machine, plus 1 more if you've purchased the spindle or ATC. You'll be able to find the contents of each box in the unboxing section of the 4x8 resources online. Number 5, don't forget to read the quick start guide that's in box number 1 of your kit. Number 6, try to have some fun while you're doing it.